everyone! Welcome to Cricut Time! If you like this video, subscribe for more project ideas and tutorials on all things Cricut. For today's tutorial, I will show you how to make your own ornaments using your Cricut or Silhouette. I will show you how to use both the regular round ornaments and the disc-shaped ornaments in this tutorial. Let's start out with the round ornament. This is the more difficult of the two, and I'll give you some tips on how to do it successfully. I'll just cut out a piece of vinyl a bit larger than my design. Today I'm using permanent vinyl in white, black, and red. I'll stick these down to a green mat. I like to put all the colors down on the same mat so I don't have to keep switching mats in and out of the machine. I'll use my brayer to stick them all down smoothly. Now I'll pop it into my maker. You can use a Cricut or Silhouette for this step. Grab your weeder tool and use it to pull off the background. Flip the mat over and peel the mat away from the vinyl to get it off. Now I just need to cut these words out with some scissors. Take a piece of transfer tape, a bit larger than the design, and stick it on. Use your scraper tool to stick it down to the vinyl really well. This is ready, so I'll pull off the backing paper. When you are putting vinyl down on a round object, it can very easily fold over and get wrinkles. You can prevent this by choosing a design that is thin and has lots of little sections instead of one big design. The other thing you can do is cut out some lines in the transfer tape between the shapes. This will allow you to curve different areas around the ornament. Line your design up into position. And when you're ready to stick it on, start in the middle. I work one section at a time, then move on to the next area that's been cut out. One issue that can also come up when working on a round ornament is that parts of your design near the top and bottom will get closer together than they were in design space. In this example, if I put the big star down, it would touch the skate. If that happens to you, just don't stick that part on yet. I'll work around it and leave the star on the transfer tape for now. Use your scraper tool to stick it down to the vinyl really well. Now I can carefully pull off the transfer tape. I worked around the big star, and now I can just cut it off and find a better place for it to go. Now I'll show you how to make your own ornament using the disc-shaped ornaments. These are way easier to use and more vinyl friendly. I'll start out the same way. I'll take a piece of transfer tape and stick it down to my vinyl. Now I can use the scraper tool again to stick it down, just like with the other ornament. And remove the backing paper. Now I can line it up into position. When you are doing a project with writing like this, I find I always have more success lining it up properly if I start with the middle word. So I'll do the two middle words first. Use the scraper tool to stick it down and remove the transfer tape. I'll repeat the same process for the other words. Transfer the vinyl to the transfer tape. Put it in position and stick it on. This ornament is relatively flat, with just a slight curve where the vinyl goes. This makes it way easier to stick vinyl on smoothly. If you were doing one big design, I would still recommend cutting a few lines in the transfer tape to allow for the curve. The vinyl looks great, and I love these clear ornaments. You can leave it just like this, or put something inside. Today I'm going to add in some fake snow. I'll just pour some right in the top. I love this stuff for Christmas because it also has a bit of a shine, which catches the light of the Christmas tree. Now I can just put the top back on, and these are ready for Christmas. I am happy with the look of both of them, but if you're just starting out, try to find the disc-shaped ornaments instead of the round ones because they will be easier to use. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more project ideas and tutorials on all things Cricut.